Good morning, traders. Welcome to this weekly Elliott Wave Street update. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to start the week, to start the year. It's our first free weekly video of the year, showing some of our plans for this week. We are starting the week with a pretty strong US dollar. After reaching lows, the dollar started to bounce to the upside. That is why we are seeing this big sell-off on the euro dollar that it seems that wants to hit the 38.2% Fibonacci retrace is the most common target when we are in the wave 4. The guideline on the Elliott wave theory says that the wave 4, this wave 4 red, it is likely to be done, to be completed at the area where the previous wave 4 ended. So that's telling that we need to have the leg down before the completion of wave 4. After that, we can start respect the move to the upside. So we have the 38.2%, we have, and the target will be the previous high where the wave 3 finished. So the mission for this week, what I'm looking for this week, is finding the end of wave 4 and going long to target the previous high. The way to do this thing, because we have to be careful, we don't want to get trapped into the bearish move. You know, what if I sell? What if I buy actually right now the euro, and the price continues moving lower and lower and lower? I don't want to be trapped, and of course I need to use a stop loss, so it's going to take me out. So first of all, I need to see the price slowing down a little. Let's say we have something like this, some sort of institutional accumulation, and I also need a candlestick pattern at this area, the 38.2%, and I would like to see the price moving up, doing a little bit of retrace, wave 1 and 2, and that will be the beginning of wave 5. So I need the wave count plus some price action validation in order to buy the euro. So that will be one of the plans for this week. Let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, I have big news. After following the move up and following the move up, it seems that we could be in a major top, especially if we have a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, this is the wave count for the first part of 2021. We have been seeing the price climbing, but it's time for a retrace, ABC. So when the trend is bullish, the price is likely to make a retrace and continue higher, make a retrace and continue higher, right? But thanks to the wave count, we have a high probability reversal at these levels. My target for the wave 4 on the S&P is going to be where the previous wave 4 finished, is around the 3,200 area. From there, I'm expecting a move up we can go to the 5,000 area. We can go to the 4,000 at least, and then we will see. But this will be a great discount. I'm looking forward to have a big discount on the S&P in order to start positioning to the upside. I want to start an accumulation process for the medium term to climb, to follow the climb on the S&P, but not at this price. I don't want to buy expensive. Then, if we go back to the lower time frames, like the hourly chart, it seems that our corrective wave started with a beautiful bearish engulfing candle at the market top, also signaling a double top formation. This will be wave 1, this will be wave 2, and here will be the wave 3 that is starting today. So I'm bearish this week on the S&P. If we want to have like some sort of an additional validation, we can also wait for the completion of this 5 wave sequence, 3, 4, 5, right? So 5 waves, then 3 up, ABC. So wave 1 and 2, and then the continuation to the downside, because at that moment we're going to have the 5-wave sequence. So we can trade at the main cycle, at the internal cycle, or at the big cycle using the internal waves. Let's have a look at gold. Gold, we have been looking for the top of the market. I have been working with the plan of having this leg up as corrective, all this leg to the upside, and now we need to have a leg down. So right here is my minimum target, 1760. We are in the impulse, ABC, impulse for A, then a corrective B wave, and finally a 5-wave sequence down for the C leg. Once we have the completion of wave 4, I'm going long, and I'm going to target the 2000 area. Of course, in the meantime, we can take some day trades on the lower time frames. For example, here is the continuation for the wave 4, after the wave 4 for the wave 5, so one more, then a second bounce, then another sell, then a deeper corrective, and then another sell. Of course, with the Elliott wave theory, we can go to the lower time frames and trade inside following the market cycles. Alright, traders, this is a sample for this week. If you want to receive our daily analysis, visit right now ElliottWaveStreet.com. Under the membership tab, you will find our plans. You can take the Forex, the stocks, or the full access, depending on the markets that you trade. And you will get immediate access to a whole new world of analysis with charts, with trading plans, with videos, and more. Please have a fantastic start of your week. I'll see you inside the membership. Take care. Bye-bye.